This is a man-to-man talk. Most men have a trimmer for the beard and maybe something for the body. But then they just improvise for everything else. That is not grooming, my friend. It is just getting by. This is Manhood Trimmer Ultimate. 12 in 1. Built for beard, body and everything down below. It is the only trimmer you will ever need. Trust me on that. So let me tell you what makes this different. You see this? This is curved ceramic blade. And it is not just a design. It is engineered to follow the contours of your body. The places where a flat blade would drag or nick, this one glides. And the skin protection technology built into this means no cuts, no redness, and no second guessing. So in short, this blade knows how to handle your sensitive areas. So above the belt, this is just as complete. Beard blade, sharp lines, clean fades, proper finish, dedicated, not generic. Zero blade, one stroke, ultra close, razor level finish on your edges. Precision blade, for the detail, the final 5% that makes a good look a great one. Nose and ear head, because those strands ruin the first impression faster than anything else. And this, the foil shape, for a smooth body shape, chest or wherever you want a clean finish. This glides, no irritation. 40 length settings, 0.5 mm to 20 mm, stubble, mid fade, longer length. You just dial it in exactly. Not approximately, exactly. A few things before you decide. 7000 RPM motor. Handles thick and coarse hair without pulling. 240 minutes of battery on a full charge and 5 minutes of quick charge if you are in a hurry. IPX7 waterproof. Shower safe. Power display. So you will always know your battery. Travel lock. 3 seconds. And you are instantly secured. 3-year warranty. This is not just a trimmer with extra heads thrown in. Every attachment is designed with intention. This is what a true multi-groomer means. Manhood Trimmer Ultimate. One device. Beard to below, nothing left uncovered.